He said to me, your son is retarded. Of course, I knew Elon wasn't retarded. So I said, well, why? Why do you say that? And then the teacher took over and she said, well, yesterday, again, he sits and stares out of the window while everybody's taking note in the class. The other kids are taking note. He sits and stares out of the window. A very leafy suburb that we lived in. And she said, nothing she does gets his attention. And she actually went up to him, as she explained, and she would push him on the shoulder before he jump around and look at her. And she said, what? He asked him, why? What are you doing? And he said, look, the trees are getting green, or they're all getting leaves or something to that effect. So I thought, well, that's a reasonable, I didn't see anything wrong with that. They figured there's something wrong with him. And of course, that ties in with a certain amount of, I suppose you could call it a sort of autism. Today, for example, with Elon, even today, it's quite a handy thing. It's very difficult to actually upset Elon because you can often say something to him which is rude and it just bounces off him. He doesn't even listen. It doesn't penetrate.